and welcome to my channel. Let's do a quick fall makeup routine. First, I pull my hair back with 2 clips. I don't usually use primer for my base, instead I apply this Centella sunscreen from Skin 1004, which is hydrating but not greasy and gives my skin a nice glow, creating the perfect base. Next, for my foundation, I mix E.L.F's Glow Liquid Filter with Erborian's BB Cream to keep my skin even, light and radiant. I apply it with my fingers because I feel it gives a more natural result and removes any excess product. I use Maybelline concealer to cover any remaining redness or blemishes. I pick up a small amount with my fingertip and gently dab the area I want to cover, repeating until I'm satisfied with the coverage. After that, I set everything with NABLA Smoothing Pressed Powder, and I mainly focus on the T-zone. Once that's done, I apply a bit of bronzer using this palette from Tarte near my cheekbones and on my forehead, placing it just below the cheekbones to make them slightly more defined. For blush, I use another face palette from Tarte. In this case, I use a smaller brush for more precision and to avoid over-applying. I think it makes everything look much more natural. And now it's time to brush my brows. And with my eyebrow pencil, I like to go over the beauty marks on my face to make them pop since they get covered with makeup. Then, to set my brows, I use NABLA's brow gel and simply brush them upwards. Now for the eyes. I'm going to use 2 brown shades from Charlotte Tilbury's palette and apply them to my upper eyelids in this motion. Then I take a little more eyeshadow and blend it just under the lash line. Now, using this eyeliner from MQNY, which has a super fine tip, I draw a very thin line to accentuate my natural eye shape. I also drew a slight line on the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to apply mascara. I always end up getting it on my ends when I apply it. We are almost done, just the lips left. I use Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk Medium Lipstick. I don't apply it directly to my lips, instead I pick some up with my fingertip and dab it on my lips until I'm happy with the result. As finishing touch, I apply Fenty Beauty's lip gloss on top. Now that we are done, I can finally take off these annoying clips. Oh no, wait, I almost forgot the setting spray. I use Charlotte Tilbury's setting spray. Okay, now we are really done. Here's the final look. Do you like it? I think it's very simple and quick, but still gives an elevated look. So yeah, I really like it and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Bye!